Christmas is just a few weeks away, and if you're feeling the crunch like you just don't know what to get that photographer or filmmaker, rest assured, we're going to take care of that in this video. I put together a list of 10 things. These are things I use on the daily, cool gift items, gadgets, fun things for them to open up on Christmas morning by the fireplace while it's snowing outside, or maybe it's for you to open up on Christmas morning because we all shop for ourselves a little bit too. I get it, not judging here at all. But at the end of this video, I've put together something free just for you guys, just as a little way of saying thank you for watching this video, trying to help you out in this gift search for a filmmaker and a photographer. So stick around for that, but let's get into the video. Item number one is the Neewer wireless dolly. This is a really neat little tool. It's very unique, and I saw it and I had to get it, and I've been using it for different things right here on my desk. Use it for some different shots. You can put your action camera on this. I've even rigged my R5 to be on this as well. It's a little bit heavy, but it's got one motor here, and then these other wheels that you can turn for it to go in a circle. And aside from that, you have this little remote so you can wirelessly control this. There's 3 speeds, and you can pause and start the motor. It's battery powered and charges via a USB-C cable, and the battery lasts for quite a long time. It feels like it's made out of plastic/aluminum, so it feels very solid. These little rubber wheels are not going anywhere. And this is just a fun little gadget. If you have a desktop somewhere and you want to get a nice dolly shot, this will do it for you. Next on the list is this Peak Design wrist strap. This is a really great option if you are going to be walking around somewhere where you're going to have your camera in your hand and you don't want someone to steal it, or you don't want to drop it out of a plane or helicopter. It just goes over your wrist and it cinches up really tight, and it is not going anywhere. Your hand will have to come off before the wrist strap will come off. It's made of like a really tough nylon and is very durable. It's got the classic Peak Design clip. So the one little piece, let me see here. So the little piece here that comes with the strap will go in your camera, and this just clips right on here. And now you have your camera, but what makes it so nice is that it can just snap off and on really quick and easy. I love the Peak Design strap. They have a full strap as well as this wrist strap, which is what I have. It's small, lightweight, great gift item, and will throw in your bag really easy, as well as keep your camera safe. Number 3 on the list is this rain cover from Peak Design for your DSLR camera. I got this off Amazon. I did realize that this, for some reason, may not be as easy to find on Amazon, but I think you can get this on B&H, so I'll leave a link for that. But this is a fantastic rain cover that will absolutely keep your camera safe. Your lens goes right out here. It even has like a little lens hood on top of this here, and on your camera body goes in here, and this will cinch up nice and tight to keep water, rain from getting inside. I was in Dominica earlier this year, got caught in some pretty heavy rain, and I had this in my bag, threw it on my camera, and my camera was perfectly dry. Had no issues with this, and this did its job. So this travels with me anytime I'm going out of the country, doing anything outdoors. This rain cover from Peak Design is a really great option. Number 4 is Field Notes. I've been following Field Notes for quite a while, but I had not actually gotten into them until recently, and I'm really enjoying having these, having them in my backpack. When you're in a meeting, you can just quickly pull out these little notebooks and take notes. They're made right in Chicago, Illinois. They're American made. They're high quality. They have different styles and different colors on their website. I like the original look. Kind of feels a little vintage. On the back, they have a list of practical applications for how you can use the notebook. It's got a little ruler. It just feels like it forces you to put your phone to the side and just write down your notes and your thoughts on a piece of paper. So if you're an ideas person, this is a great option to just pull this out, jot down what you're thinking. Along with that is this genuine leather handmade Field Notes case that I got right off Amazon. Your Field Notes notebook will just slide right inside. It's got another pouch here for your pieces of paper, extra things you might need, flight tickets, whatever the case. But I love this. This is really tough and will keep it protected from the weather. So a great option here if you like to take notes. Definitely do not pass up on Field Notes. Number 5 on the list, and I've talked about this one before actually, is this disposable camera lens for your camera. You've probably been seeing these around on social media. Basically, they just take a disposable camera lens and put it on what I assume is a 3D printed basically lens cap that goes right on your camera, and it gives your images a really nice vintage look. I use this lens to capture some really fun images in Europe last fall. Just gives a nice fun vintage look. You're not having to haul around a disposable camera. You can just put this right on your digital camera, your DSLR, and get some nice kind of fun vintage looking stuff. Definitely check that out if you like this vintage look. Unfortunately, I couldn't find this exact one on Amazon that I had purchased, so I'm putting another option in the list here below the video. Looks a little different than this one. It looks a little more like an actual Oreo cookie. I couldn't find anything that looked like what I had. So you'll have to forgive me there, just how Amazon works, ebbs and flows. But if I can find the same one I got, I will definitely add that link to the video description. Number 6 is this action camera mount necklace from Neewer. I recently made a video on this, but I really love this. POV content is huge on social media right now, behind the scenes, showing what you're doing from your perspective, and this is perfect for that. It easily will clip around your neck, and the wire inside is very tough, very durable. It's kind of a rubber exterior on this necklace piece, and then your action camera goes right on here. But this is great for capturing POV content, just behind the scenes stuff of what you're doing. And so if you're into POV content, wearing action cameras, don't pass this up. Number 7 on the list is the Rode VideoMicro 2. I've also talked about this before, but this little guy has been such a trooper for me for the last like 2 years. I just had to talk about it again. This is not a very expensive Rode shotgun mic, but it is, in my opinion, one of the best high quality shotgun mics for the price that you can get. It is not battery powered, it's phantom powered, so it sips off the power from your camera through the 3.5 millimeter cord here. So you're not having to constantly put AA batteries or AAA batteries inside of it, and it has a really good sound. I've used it in a number of videos on my channel already where I'm just holding it. I plug this into the DJI mic and I just hold it and talk to it because I think it has a really nice, almost podcast level quality sound. It's a great gift option because it's small but not terribly expensive, but it will give a very high quality sound. Number 8 is this hard shell case from Jack Boss. This is a fantastic little case. This is their tiny one, but I've got the next like 3 sizes up from this as well. Hard shell cases, like the really nice ones, are extremely expensive. They're great quality, but they're really hard to afford sometimes. And these from Jack Boss are actually good quality for a really good price. I've really been enjoying using these for camera gear, my drone, my gimbal. They keep it really safe. I've done water tests with them as well, and they all hold up. There's rubber seal inside, so they're weather sealed. I wouldn't take this diving down like 100 feet, but if you're gonna get splashed with a wave, you're going outside, you're gonna go mudding, these are gonna hold up really well and keep your gear nice and safe. So check these out if you're looking for a nice hard shell case. They're gonna do really well for you. Number 9 is this RGB little light from SmallRig, and this is a really great, very cheap little light that is RGB. It has different Kelvin tones, so you can have warm, you can have cool. There's different effects on it. It is really decently bright. This is, okay, yeah, there's the RGB. You can see all the different colors there. There's an emergency vehicle, there's a heartbeat, there's just RGB colors going back and forth from different color tones, lightning, there's a TV effect, there's fireworks with different colors, there's a candle or a fireplace, there's a party light, doing a little bit of a disco, you want some cool colors, this one will do it for you. This light is very bright, this is 3%, and there we go, that's 100%. Pretty bright light, it's a great fill light. Probably should have been using it this whole time. Charges via USB-C cable. Has this 1/4" screw here if you need to screw it onto something. It's got a cold shoe mount here underneath. So this is a nice budget-friendly, versatile little light that is a great gift option. This is definitely going to be going with me when I travel, and I love the fact that it's so small and yet the battery lasts for a decently long time. Number 10 on the list is actually this microphone I'm using right now, the Fifine Tank 3 microphone. This is an $80 mic that I think has a really good sound. You can use it as an XLR mic like I'm right now, where you record to an external audio recorder, or you can use a USB-C cable that they provide that you can plug into your computer and use it that way. Both have really high quality sounds, and for $80 I think it is a really great sounding mic. So if you're looking for a nice podcast mic, something to do voiceovers with on a budget, this is a great gift option because it's so affordable but really has a good sound. I've been using it in the last number of videos on my channel, and I've actually been extremely happy with this mic. In just a second I'll tell you about the free item that I have for you, but I have one more bonus item, and that is a Polaroid camera. This is the Instax Mini 40. If you're not into Polaroid cameras, you should be. A lot of people have these, but I just wanted to mention it. This is such a fun way to capture moments and memories. When my wife and my daughter and I are traveling or we're doing something fun, putting up the Christmas tree, I like to bring this along and grab moments with this. There's something about the instant Polaroid effect or a film effect where it just captures a moment and makes it an instant core memory. It's just a really fun way to capture moments with your family. So definitely check this out. You'll be very happy to have this and capture all those fun memories with a Polaroid camera. All right, earlier I mentioned I have a free gift for you guys. Don't worry, I've not forgotten about it. I've actually put together a Christmas gift guide for you guys with everything we talked about today plus 10 extra items. Picture of the item, the name, how much it costs, and a link to it on Amazon, just to try to help make it even easier for you to just look over an actual list of what everything is and give you some inspiration for some gift ideas. So don't pass that up. Check that out. All you gotta do is put your email in and you'll get that sent right to you. If you guys enjoyed this or found this helpful, please consider subscribing, like this video. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you in the next one.